Welcome to the day 15 of Learn DAX in 2 Minute series. Today we will learn four powerful context functions: has one value, values, selected values, and is filtered. In this example, we have sales data, and in report view, we have used three slicers for product, reason, and category. Has one value function is a conditional function and it returns true or false based on the filter context of a specified column. Create a measure and type conditional sales equals to if opening parenthesis has one value, select the product column, closing parenthesis, comma, sum function, select the sales column, comma, blank. Drag the measure into card visual. The conditional sales measure will display the sum of sales only when a single product is selected in the report's filter context. If multiple products are selected, it will return blank. The values function is a table function that returns a one column table containing distinct values from a specified column, or a complete table if a table name is provided. Create a measure and type selected categories equals to concatenate x values function select category column closing parenthesis comma and select category column comma type comma within double quotes as a delimiter closing parenthesis and press enter. Now drag the selected category measure and it will show the selected category. Clear the selection and it will display all the distinct categories. The selected value function is designed to retrieve a single distinct value from a specified column with the current filter context. Create a measure and type selected reason equals to selected value and select the reason column, comma, and type multiple reasons in double quotes. Closing parenthesis and press enter. Now drag the measure and the measure will show the selected reason. If no reason is selected or multiple reasons are selected, it will show multi-reason. Is filtered function checks if a column is being filtered. Create a measure and type category filter equals to if is filtered, select the category column, closing parenthesis, comma, type filtered in double quotes if condition is true, else no type in double quotes. Closing parenthesis and press enter. Drag the measure in the card visual. If the user applied a slicer or visual filter to the category column, it returns true and filtered will be shown, else the card will show no type. So in this way you can use these context function in DAX. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.